Judulnya ni lagu bahasa Spain. Latino.
Big round of applause, please. Big round of applause. Sounds of Soul.
awesome. Okay. I was hoping that you'll just like to hear the song that we play. It's a very, very valuable song to hear the song. Because this song is actually original from our friends from the Indonesia. Yeah. I can taste this to forget this singing the Spanish song. Pardon me. Okay, this is a special song that we want to dedicate to our Indonesian friends if you are here. Anyone of you from Indonesia? Anyone of you? Oh, you are? Oh, that's good. Apa kabar kamu? Yeah, that was good. Love to see you. Thank you so much. Okay, this is called Bengawan Solo. So in this song, if you know and really like the song, you can join along, okay? I can also give you this microphone to you for you to sing. Bengawan Solo. Okay, can we do this together? But before that, I want those hands. I want to see those hands clapping together like this. Come on. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Come on, everyone. Yeah. What about the children over here? Come on. You will sing this song. Have you learned this song before? Listen to this. Go back to school tomorrow and get your teacher to sing this song with you, okay? Okay.
Come on, repeat. Ah, dia cakap apa?
Bengawan Solo. Alright, good. Bengawan Solo.
Bengawan Solo. Baju hitam ke? Pilih bangka. Kan? Barang kecil-kecil je. Dah jumpa dah kembar? Dah jumpa kembar? Kenapa? Berapa ni? Buat something kan? Something berapa? 50. Sikit lah lagi. Tak habis. Aku suka lagu ni. Spain tadi diorang nyanyi.
Ha?
Lagu diorang nyanyi lagu Spain.
Lagu Spain.
Bahasa Spain.
Ya, tentang Spain ya.
Betul, lagu dia sedap Ustaz.
Aku tu dia macam tu.
Gerak. Gerak. Sarah main apa Sarah?
Tabla elektrik ke? Tak lah. Tabla apa? Sepada ke? Dia ada adjust sepada ke?
Okay, with this song, let's end our session here for this evening. I would like to thank you a million for sending us for about half an hour just now. We